Have you ever heard about mother who ate her child? That's what is happening between some animals. When parents are hungry, they eat their babies. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Animals that eat their babies have no mercy. From these animals: mother bears, felines, canids, primates, and many other species. Number 1. The crocodile. Some crocodiles have no mercy, and eat their young if they didn't find food. But not all crocodiles, because most crocodiles hold their babies in their mouth. Not to eat them. Just to protect and carry them to other places. Number 2. Polar bears. Scientists believe that polar bears eat cubs in the late summer and autumn, when seals, their typical prey, are at sea and less available. Watch what hunger do in animals. So bad. Number 3. Lions. Although it's the king of the jungle, it means no mercy. Lions' cubs suffer the most. When adult male feels threatened by the baby, he tries to kill them with any method. Doesn't want any other lion to be king instead of him. Females are more protective, but sometimes they also have no mercy. Lioness devoured her 2 newborn cubs at Leipzig Zoo in 2019 in Germany. So which species did you find most fascinating? Write in the comments. Hope you enjoyed. See you next Thursday.